La loo loo loo. Hey, ow now, brown cow. What? Are we on? Hi YouTube, I'm 12020 and I'm going to show you how to build a Lego Chima set. So let's get started. So you get this body piece and you put this on the legs. Get that together. And then you take this piece and then put it right on there. And we'll take this head, put it right on there. And then you'll take this mask and you put it right on there. And then you'll take this weapon piece and you'll put it right there. And then you'll take this piece and put it right here, like that. And here's the captain. So this is what the captain is gonna look like after you build him. So put him aside for now, and then you're gonna build the next guy. So we're gonna take this body piece. We're gonna take these legs and put them on as well. And then you're gonna take the head, make it so they can see the jaws coming out. And then you have this mask that you're gonna put on the guy. And then you're gonna take the shield and put it right there. And then you're gonna put him aside. Take this part and this part, put them together, and then make him hold it. So now you have the Shadow Squadron for the captain. So, and then we're gonna build the final one that doesn't have any armor because he is a soldier. So you're gonna take this body piece and you're gonna take these legs and put them together. And then you're gonna take this head, the same head as last time. Same way. And then you're gonna take this back. I think there's a gold part right there. And then put it on. And then this gun, which you're gonna take this. And then put that in this like that. And then you're gonna take two of those, but really three. They have to be all the same color. And then take this piece and then put it all together. Now your little gun. Put that in his hands. And then you have your soldier, which is going to be looking like this when you're done. So we're going to get started on the actual machines in this tribe. So you're going to take this piece and then you're going to put this on it. It's like a little ice block. Just put it right there, like that. Then you're gonna take like a towered piece, put it right there so they're facing each other. Take this claw piece, put it right there, and then take this piece and put it right in there like that. So then you have your protector that kind of protects the machine that we're going to build. So first you're going to be able to take this and you are going to put two of these pieces on like that. Put it right there, so it's right on the back, and then one right next to it. And then take this piece, like that. It's 4x1, but it has like space in the middle, so you can put this inside. But if it's already shooted, pretend if you want, then don't put it in. Then you're gonna take one of these. It's 2 little ones tall, and then kind of go like this. Take that out for a second. Like that. And then go like this. And you're going to take another one of those and put it right there. And then you are going to take these and put it right there. And then another one, which you're of course going to put on the other side. And then you're going to take another 2 spear pieces that will look exactly the same. And then put them right on there like that. So you're going to be like that so far. And then you're going to take this. It's kind of like this piece with one of these on the bottom and then one of those pieces. So I'm going to put that like this, like that, and then you have that. Put that aside for now. So it's going to be looking like that so far. And we're going to take this, put it right on there, and then take this, put that right in the middle. This you'll be wanting to put right there. It's like a ski piece, and you'll be needing 2 of those, by the way. And then we'll put this on the top, like that. You take this again, you're already built, and then just put that like that. And you have that machine be looking like that. And these are extra ammo. And then you'll take this again and be putting this right there, like so it'll be looking like that. And you'll take this piece and put it like that. And then you'll take this piece and put it like that. So it's going to be looking like that now. And then you're going to take another spear piece and put it right there. And then you have your perfect little set going.
2, 1.
I had to grab that piece down there, so sorry. And you're going to take that and put it right there. And you're going to put the protector tower, the main pieces, right there so they're facing each other again. And then you have your setup. So I'm going to set up the guys now. Put that down a little bit so he can stand up. I'm going to put this guy right there. This guy right there. Wait. Like that. And I got a little, press the link below to subscribe to my videos. And I got a little something for you. swings around and tries to hit the camera.